Good morning and welcome to Tuesday Newsday. Today we are joined by the lovely Cherry.
Hey everybody, thanks for joining us for Tuesday Newsday. We're actually in our Mercantile Shop.
And it's so cute. I love all the fabric in here. And honestly, I feel like a lot of this fabric would go really well with our double play that's coming up this Friday. We have the Star Spangled Beauty double take tutorial this Friday.
Yeah, there are bits and pieces of red, white, and blue in here.
Yeah.
You might find a little bit of everything in here, quite honestly.
Oh yeah, it's such a cute shop. I love it so much.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
So what have we got going on in town? I know that we just had Spring Guild days.
We did. We had all kinds of entertainment, and we had people from all over the country that came in to see us, and many of them that were shopping their bucket list, quite honestly.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome. That's so much fun. We also have the 4 days of family favorites coming up.
I believe that's April the 4th through the 13th. No, April 10th through the 13th.
April 10th through the 13th, yep. Oh, I forgot to mention that we have a guild newsletter.
We do. If you're a member of a guild and you would like to receive our newsletter, just go to our website and find our guild page, and there will be a link. But Hannah, I believe you can link that for us.
Yep, I can put it in the description.
Okay.
We also have an exciting birthday coming up.
We do, and I bet you know who that is.
I do. It's Chuck. Chuck's birthday is April 24th.
Yes, I'm sure he's going to be out milling around.
Oh yeah, he's going to be doing all kinds
You
of.
begin to see him a little more during the spring and the summer, quite honestly.
Yeah. Especially in like September for Birthday Bash, you'll see him a lot then too.
Yeah.
Speaking of future events, we have Missouri Star Academy coming up.
We do. That is June 10th and 11th. You do not have to have a ticket to come to town and shop. It would require a ticket if you're taking classes and so forth. So,
yeah. So tell me a little bit about Missouri Star Academy.
Well, we will have designers here from different vendors who will be teaching classes. We have a few surprises in store.
Ooh.
Yeah. It's going to be fun. There's usually a lot of people here.
Yep.
And it's great entertainment, and we all have a great time.
That's going to be so much fun. I'm so excited about Missouri Star Academy. I know we do it every other year, right?
Yes, it's every other year.
Nice. That's so much fun. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
So you guys can kind of see it, but I see some pretty quilts Cherry has.
I think you do. I brought a few quilts for you guys to see that I've made through the past, and they're some of my favorites. So let me show you what I brought.
Oh my gosh. Whoop, it's upside down.
Upside down. Hang on, guys. All right. Now this quilt I actually did not make. A very dear friend of mine made this for me, and I love it. It's made with Jenny's little house block, and I don't believe this is patterned, but
it's so cute.
It's one of my favorites.
It's so cute. Look at all the fussy cuts. Oh, look, there's a princess. Oh my gosh, the chicken.
I think it's darling.
I love it. That's amazing.
Yes. This next one is an Elizabeth Hartman pattern, and it's probably top 5 of my favorites. It's really, really cute.
Oh.
This is called Norman Nanette.
Norman Nanette. Do you know if we sell this?
I know we have sold them. I'm not sure if we have them in stock right now.
Okay.
But I think if you look up Elizabeth Hartman, it'll tell you what patterns we have right now.
Oh, it's so cute, and I love the ombre.
Yes.
So what's the story behind it?
Well, this is the first quilt that Jenny and I made together.
Oh.
I know, it was so much fun. Now, she was much more proficient at getting this done on a timely basis than I was. I had a little bit of trouble with the eyeballs, and so the first night that we sewed on this together, she got an entire block done, and I got one eyeball done.
Oh my gosh.
But I was able to get the hang of it and finished mine not too long after she finished hers. So, yeah.
I have only ever made one quilt like that, and it was probably one of the hardest quilts I think I've ever done.
Well, I don't know if it was really hard for me, but there were a lot of pieces, and
Yeah.
you really had to pay attention to what you were doing.
Yeah, and that's kind of what my problem was, is I'm just so used to just like sitting down and just going for it, you know?
I know, I know. So this is probably my favorite Christmas holiday.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah, this is called Pine Forest. You may have to look that up.
Yeah, it's oh no, what is it? It's the pine something forest.
Yeah, we might have to look this up if you're interested in this pattern. And quite honestly, you could probably link it as well.
Probably, yeah.
It's made out of scraps, and it's really very, very easy.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
I love it so much.
And then the last one that I brought is probably my favorite MSQC pattern.
Oh, yes.
This is called Antique Lace.
Oh, I love antique lace.
I love it. I just love it. I decided to make it in red and white.
Wow, that looks amazing. That's so beautiful.
I love it. Isn't it pretty?
It's gorgeous.
It's great for year round, great for, Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Christmas. Yeah,
It's a good all year round quilt.
it is, absolutely.
So, how long have you been quilting?
I've been quilting about 9-10 years. I started quilting just maybe a year prior to me coming to my first retreat at MSQC, which was 9 years ago.
Wow, nice.
I know.
How was it? What was your first retreat like?
Oh, it was so much fun. It was actually a designer retreat. Me and my
nice.
sister designs were here, and it was so much fun. The retreat was full, and I met some new friends that are still my friends today.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. I actually, that's one of my favorite things about the retreats is that, strangers will come together. They'll have a retreat and they will just make such solid bonds with each other, and they'll just, keep coming back. They'll just
Right.
it's so much fun.
It is. It's great. It's great.
So, I've got to ask, because I know you like to embroider. What's
I
your
do.
favorite? What's your favorite, genre of...
The Ingrid's flowers.
Oh, yes?
Yeah. Now, I've only been embroidering for about 8 months.
Oh, okay.
Right after the Christmas tin came out, I was asked to help stitch some of those samples. And I'm like, okay. I've never stitched, and I picked up on it very, very easily. It was
Yeah.
so much fun. And so I've helped with some of the, samples and the quilts that we've had to make. So,
Yeah. That's a lot of fun.
It's so much fun.
I love embroidery. I feel like it's the same kind of situation as hand binding for me. I just very much want to sit down and put something in my lap and then just turn on a show and go for
I
it.
just happened to bring a few with me.
Oh my gosh, look at
Aren't they
those.
fun?
Those are so
Isn't
cute.
it cute?
You started 8 months ago?
I did.
It looks amazing.
I did. Aren't they fun? Of
Oh
course, you
my
can find all of
gosh.
our kits down in the home store. There are some in the main shop as well. So,
Oh, that's the
Yeah.
back. Your back looks great too.
oh, that is the back, isn't it? Okay.
Hey, it's okay. I think I've heard that apparently you're supposed to have your embroidery be look just as nice on the back as it does the front, and I do not do that. I am so bad. You look at the back of my embroidery and there's string everywhere, and it's nice, but
I don't think that's completely true. Although people do say, "Oh, my back looks terrible," but nobody's looking at your back.
exactly
They're looking at the front.
it's gonna be covered up,
Absolutely.
I think
Absolutely.
it's a lot of fun. I love embroidery so much. So, what exactly do you do here? Because I know you work with Jenny.
Right. So I just had my 3-year anniversary, this week.
Oh wow!
I know,
Congrats.
3 years. I can't believe it.
Feels
And-
like it's been longer though. I feel like you've
know.
been here for much longer.
Well, I really have. I just wasn't part
Oh.
of the team yet.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
But I've been Jenny's assistant for the entire time that I've been an employee, and what a fun job!
Yeah.
I have had a blast, and I've learned so much from her.
Yeah.
She's been a great teacher for me. you know, not to worry about the little things, and it's been fantastic. So, you know, she's in Africa right now, and she's doing great, by the way. And I still do some emails for her. You know, she still has people that will send her gifts, and so I take care of those. And you know, I stay in touch with her on a very regular basis. So
Yeah, that's awesome.
I'm actually a hybrid right now. So
Okay.
I'm kind of hosting some of our celebrity guests that come into town. I am, let's see, sewing for some tutorials. And
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I know. And taking care of the bus folks that come into town. I'm just doing a little bit of everything.
Yeah, just running around, being helpful wherever you can be.
That's right.
I feel like that's the best way to do work sometimes.
It's really a lot of fun. It's right up my alley. So
Yeah, you don't get stuck in any like rut. You don't get just like basic routine. Like you
I
get
love the people.
Yeah.
I love the people. That's my favorite thing about my job.
Yeah.
Is meeting people from all over the world.
It's part of the
literally.
reason why I'm not super inclined to give up Chuck, because like it gets so hot in there, guys, and I know I've talked about that a couple times, but like it gets really hot in there. But I love being Chuck because like it's just so much fun to get to see everyone, and I
Right,
mostly just get to see your feet, but
Right.
but it's fun to like chat with everyone.
You're a
And
great shot.
oh, thank you. I try. So I'm curious, do you have any like absolute necessities you have to have for your sewing room?
My favorite tool is probably the Clearly Perfect slotted trimmer. I do a lot of trimming, so to speak, and do
Yeah.
for Jenny. And so that's my favorite tool to use. Of course, you know, a sharp rotary cutter is always ideal.
Yes.
You know, but
Yep,
But
be
those
sure to
are-
change your blades regularly.
Right. Absolutely.
But yeah, I think that's about it. Hamilton is having a pretty good week, I think.
Yeah, you know, spring is here. We've had a little bit of rain over the past week.
It's been a little chilly, so if you do
yeah.
come visit, be sure to bring a tank top, shorts, and
A little layering.
a coat. Bring a
Right,
full
right,
coat and
right.
jeans.
Yeah. We hope that you guys will come see us in Hamilton, and if you do and you see me out and about, please come by and say hi to me. I would love to meet you. So thank you so much for joining us today, and have a great week, and we will see you next Tuesday Newsday. Bye-bye.